for all your products, for all your your pieces of work that you do for your life, career choices, everything, I would suggest use this, what we call as prioritization sliders, again, based on the Kano's model. What we do is in here, we actually identify the very important aspects that would help address your needs as well as your customers. So for example, scope, what is in scope, what is out of scope, whether in terms of cost, the staying in budget, is it within budget, should be staying out of the budget, can I just spend a little bit more than what is allocated? In terms of time, is it really tightly pressed in terms of timeline, or do I have some luxury to play around with how much time I have? In terms of the quality, is quality really important, or this is the first time that we're releasing it, so it's okay, it's an internal product, so don't worry if you've got a few bugs or defects. Again, some decision to be taken. Ease of use, how user friendly it is. Google, how simple it is. Google's a search engine, for instance. Google's products are supposed to be very simple to use and very ATM card, for example, the concept of using an ATM, the cash card is very, very a great product. Is very, very simple, supposed to be very simple to use across a wide plethora population of users, all ages, all backgrounds, all education levels, all levels of using applications of technology. It should be able to really use ATM card, go to the machine, insert it, follow the instructions and use it. So again, very simplicity oriented application and product. Security should be considered security. What about the threats of hacking? Email, how safe is email? How safe is the data in transit? How safe is the data that it is in storage? So all these other things, we need to consider them. So all of these, again, like how we did the criteria for the PERG matrix, we need to do a similar one for this one as well. The scope, the stay in budget, time, quality, everything else that you can put in. So depending on all these other factors, first you see whether it is important or not, should we have it or not? And then you see how important or how relevant that is in the current context of your product feature. So you say, I'm okay, I should be, in scope, I should be staying within that. I cannot come out with something out of the hat, out of syllabus, as we say. So we need to stick to the syllabus, make sure the question that you write in the question paper should be within syllabus. So the teacher gets the thing. Or they say that, you know what, this is really important, very tough, make it tough, think wild, come up with questions which are out of syllabus, something like that. So you can always work around your options. Again, budget, if it's an R&D type of a project where you get the funding already sanctioned, you don't have to worry about the aspect of the budget or other things. So don't worry about how much you're spending on this. What is important is for us to come up with a concept, with at least a prototype in the next few days or weeks. So don't worry about it. If you want to put 10 more people, get another new platforms, new products, buy them off. Don't worry, get them, import them from US or Europe if you need. So all of those, right? There's a decision, there's a prioritization you're talking about. So you actually play around with these prioritization aspects in terms of how much flexibility you have. So is it low, medium, high? So depending on that, you can play around. Finally, you get to take a decision at the end of this. Very, very useful, handy tool